Hey there, Matt here again. Another common question gets asked is, can you do registration for us, right? Yes, we're actually literally on the border of New South Wales and Queensland, so we can do both Queensland and New South Wales registration, right? As far as registration goes in other states, basically what happens is we have the trailer prepared, it's ready for registration, but the trailer physically has to be in that location to do registration, which is no problem. It's very simple, very straightforward and very easy. So yes, we can register the trailer for you in either New South Wales or Queensland, and then when you get it, if you're in another state, you can register it there yourself. There is the option as well for us to register if you don't want to go through the rigmarole of it. In, for example, New South Wales, then it gives you some time to transfer it. So that answers the question: can we register the dog wash trailers in a different state for you, in different states for you?